easy go.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. You can see this is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube and today we will solve it. So let's get started. So our first step will be to make a plus here, and you can take any color. So I will take green color. This is here, and now our work is to make a plus here. So let's make it. So you can see I have made a plus here, but you have to make sure that these colors are same. Here is red and here is red. Here is white, here is white. Orange and yellow. We don't have to make it right now, we will make it in the second step. So in the second step we will solve these four, and we have to make sure that if green is here, then orange should be here and yellow should be here. If green is here, then yellow should be here and red should be here, not orange. So you have to make sure that. So let's solve it. So you can see our green is solved, and as I have told you, if green is here, then as per this and this, red should be here and white should be here. Like that we have to do it. See, white and orange, orange and yellow, yellow and red. So our next step will be to solve these two. Now what we need to do is, we have to find, see this is blue color, so we have to find a color which doesn't have blue color. So here I don't have any color. So what we will do is, we will add a simple algorithm here. Yes, like this. Yes, so you will be able to see that one color is here now. So what we will do is, we will take it to orange color, and our orange color is it. But you have to make sure that the part you will take should not contain blue color, because if it will contain blue color, then you cannot make it. So let's start. See, here is white. We will find where is white. If white is on your right side, then you will rotate it to your left side, and if the white is on your left side, you will rotate it to the right side. So see, it is to my right, and I will rotate it to, sorry, it is to my left, I will rotate it to my right. So now what we will do, we will bring it down. Again we will do this and this. Then what we need to do, we need to put this piece here. So let's do it. Yes, it's done. Now you can see that piece is here. So like this we have to solve all these. So let's solve that. Now you can see that our second layer is completed. That is this. Now we come to our third layer. So now we will hold our cube like this, and our first work is to make a plus here. So for this we need to do a algorithm, and before we do the algorithm, we need to know the steps. So this is the algorithm you can see on the screen. So let's do it. Actually, before putting the algorithm, you can hold the cube any wise. Like I can hold it like this, like this, like this, but it should be either here, either here, either here, or either here. We have to make this line straight. Our first work is that. So let's put the algorithm. So you can see I've put the algorithm, and we will put it once again. Now you can see we are going to make a plus now. Yes, so now we will make a straight line here. Yes, so you can see a straight line is already made. Now if we apply the algorithm another time, then what will happen, we will get a full plus. So let's see. You can see we have got a plus. So after getting this plus, our next work is to bring these sides to its original place. So see, I don't have all the places right. So here you can get two cases. The first case is this one and this one could be same. The second case is this one and this one could be same, which I have, and the third case will be all will be solved. So what we need to do is, we need to do this same, and in order to do this, what we will do, we will put one algorithm. And now in the case I told, the first case where this and this are not solved, this and this are solved. So what you will need to do is, you will put the algorithm which is shown on the screen, but the difference will be that I will not do it now because I have this case, these two are same. But what I will do is that this and this are not same. I will put that algorithm once, but the main difference is that you have to put the algorithm twice if this and this are not solved and this and this are solved. But in my case, I have to put the algorithm once. So let's get started. Yes, and one thing else. If you have this case, then what you will do, the scrambled algorithm, one should be at your right and one should be at your front. Not that you will hold it like this and put the algorithm, it will not work. You have to hold it like this. So let's do it. So now you will be able to see that our cube is not solved. But what you will do, you will just do it like this and see, these are solved. This and this is solved. Now the next step will be arranging this. Okay, so for this also there is an algorithm, but what we will do is, so here you may have a case that these four will be at equal places. So at that you will put a last algorithm which I will show after some time. But first what we need to do, we need to find three colors here. So see, our red is here, white is here, and blue is here. You may have a case that nothing will be correct, but in my case one is correct. And yes, here you can see blue is here, orange is here, but yellow, this is not here. And yes, that doesn't mean that if orange will be here, it will not work. These three colors should be here, but it should be scrambled. It may be like this, yellow, orange can be here, blue can be here, it doesn't matter. This can be here, this can be here, it doesn't matter. But the thing is that this brick should be here. Like here is red, so red may be here, here or here, but it should be there. So same in that case. And this, see, yellow is here, blue is here, but orange is not there. In this, orange is not there. So I think yes, this will be here. No, not here. Here, yes. This will be here. This one should be here, because our red is here, blue it is here, and yellow it is here. So for that also we need to do algorithm, and according to your cases you have to apply the algorithms. Yes, but if you have a solved one, if you do not have any one solved, then you can put the algorithm in any way, here. But because I have one solved, that is this one, the solved one should be at your right. So you can see the algorithm on the screen. So let's apply the algorithm. So the algorithm is, yes, so after applying the algorithm, this mine is correct. You see, orange is here, white is here, blue is here, yellow is here, blue is here, orange is here, red is here, yellow is here, blue is here. So mine is correct. But you may not have the correct in one step. So if you do not have the correct thing, and if this only one side is solved, then what you need to do is, you have to apply the algorithm once more. And again the same thing, the solved one should be at your right. Okay, yes. So now let us go to our next step, that is to bring blue here, orange here, and white here. In that, and this is the last and the easiest step. After this, our cube will be solved. So here we have to do only one step, and the algorithm is also too small. So let's do it. R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D. So the thing is that mine was here, so it came here within 2 steps, but the maximum is 4 steps. You may have to do it 4 times to get it here. So after that, yeah, so now your cube will be scrambled. Please do not scramble it again, because our cube will be solved when we solve all these three sides. It will automatically get solved. So do not scramble at this time. So after that, you do not need to go there. What you will do is, you will simply rotate it and then apply the algorithm once again. R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D. As I have told you, you may do it 4 times. You may need to do it 4 times. So here I have that case. So you can see. Now what we will do, from here we will just rotate it and then apply the algorithm once again. See. So now we will rotate it another time, and this is the last time we are putting the algorithm, then our cube will be solved. So after this, only one step is left, that is this. You can see our cube is solved. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.